Perfect. So this is the model performance. So you have training and then validation. Okay, this is for the accuracy that we set here. So the color scheme here will help you to differentiate, okay, between these plots. So one is for training, the blue one is for training, and then I think the dark yellow or something like that. Yeah, let me just use the word yellow or orange. Yeah, orange. So we have blue for training and orange for validation. So you can see that the accuracy, train, and then validation, they were all improving, and then now they remained constant, okay, and they are all around the same value, okay. So this is important because this plot here will help you to know whether the model is overfitting or not. Overfitting is something that happens, okay. It's something that you always have to check for when building a neural network model. And so because the values are all similar here, we see that the model is doing very well and there's no overfitting, and that is good news for us. Let's also check the loss. Let's run this to check the loss. Perfect. So here we see that the loss also it reduces and then it becomes constant. Okay, so this is also good for us because they are all around the same value. The values are similar. That is why we have the lines just closer to each other. So this is also good. This also lets us know that there is no overfitting, and that is what we want. Perfect. So after training, you want to do this to visualize, and then this will let you know at a glance how well your model is performing. Okay. There are other metrics you can use to evaluate the model, but these are things we'll look at in later tutorial. But for now, I think we'll end here. So